Good day. Today we are making video number 2 about the Swedish way of Christmas decoration of nature. We are bringing the nature inside our home, and we wanted to show you something about flowers. So we are going to make some decorations with flowers and stuff we collected out in the forest. So please enjoy and have fun. And today we have Grandma with, because Grandma loves flowers. Oh, and here we have Grandma. She's working with us today, and as you see, the table is full of wonderful, amazing things from the forest that we found. And here is the one we made some days ago. So now we are going to make a group of flowers today. Going to make some flowers, and we take a Christmas star. I don't know the English word in Christmas star. It's we take a red one because we like the colors, so it's not just this typical, what do you call it, white. It's been really, oh, what's the name? They would take some moss and put in next to the flower, and it holds the water really good too, so it's good bringing in to the flowers when you're traveling. And here we have a really good flower. I don't know the name in English. It's murgröna in Swedish. Murgröna in Swedish. Don't laugh at me.
Det var lite gran.
And now it becomes flower power, as you see. It looks like foxtails. Really cute ones. And if you don't like walking in the forest and collecting things, you can go and buy some stuff at the store. But going out in the forest is better than, and bringing home than. Now it's done. And the kids are happy today. We are preparing for Christmas. We are waiting. And now we are going to make a smaller one. And here we have number 2. Some berries and lovely flowers next to the other. And then we have the third one. And this is one way to decorate the window. Two in the house with a lot of flowers. So now the dog is tired on us. Here we have all the flowers. As you see, you can make them as presents and give them away too.